All right, everybody, we're gonna be jumping into the snake. This is the first moderate design. It's a little bit harder than those first 4, but we're gonna have some fun. So 5 total drills. First one, maybe even the second one, is gonna be familiarization, and the last 3 we're gonna go for time. So we're really trying to get our best time, but we wanna do the design correctly. All right, this is gonna practice a lot of right-handed turns. So we're gonna go around this cone right here, and we're gonna go around this middle cone. Nice and easy, but then we're gonna go a little bit wide and go around these 2 cones in between here, and then we're gonna exit all the way around, and then there we go. So familiarize yourself, take your time. If you have to, look at your phone. That's perfectly fine because that's where the designs are. You can download them. They could be on your phone, like right here. Very good. So got a little bit familiar. So around this one, around that one, around. Okay, here we go. A little bit more for time. A little bit around all this. Look where you want to go. Always look at the next cone that you're trying to go through. So the first time was 20 seconds. What is we at now? 14. Okay, so it made a big difference. So we're gonna pause next to this cone right here. Good job for braking. You want to speed up a little bit, maybe practice your emergency braking. All right, here we go. Number 3. And right now, let's give it some speed. 13.29, so a little bit faster. So this is number 4, emergency brake. Boop, stop next to the cone. Very good. Here we go. 13.29. This is number 3. Or number 4. Nice and easy. You can give it a little bit of speed around this next part. There it is. That last part is like a nice wide arc, so you can maintain a pretty good arc. 13.2. Let's see if we can beat 13 total on this next one. So boom, boom. Once we get around this, it's like a nice wide arc, so I could probably give it some speed. So I'm slowing it down right here. I'm gonna go to the outside a little bit. See how I gave it a little bit of throttle? Gave it a little throttle, give it some speed here. Slow it down maybe a little bit right here. And then boom. Practicing my U-turns, trying to beat me. Almost 13.05. All right, trying to beat my own time. It's a competition with myself and see what I can do. And another fun thing you could do is maybe see if you could do it as slow as possible. I don't know. Let's move on to the next one.